Today I'm going to teach you guys how to change your camera to a phone and to a drone. It's really easy, so let's get straight into it. So it's really easy. All you got to do is just first place the camera down here and make sure you've got your overhead camera ready. And while you're looking up at the screen, just wave your hand over the object, making sure that you actually cover your whole hand looking at the screen. Cover your whole hand over the object itself. So keep on looking at the screen, take several shots, and I'll change the object. Now we're going to put the mobile phone here and do the same thing, looking at the screen and making sure that your hand actually covers the screen. Making sure that you're waving your hand several times so that you make sure that you actually get the shots. Now for the last shot, it's really simple. Your phone is still down there, and all you've got to do is just make sure you're looking at the screen and do a snap. So once you do the snap, make sure that you're looking at the screen all the time to see where your hand ends, and trying to remember where your hand actually ends. Now just replace the phone and put the drone there. Make sure that you don't shake anything, and just do a hand snap again. And that's basically it. It's that easy. Now bring the footage in Final Cut Pro and we'll do the magic there. Just as a side note, because my overhead camera was shooting everything upside down, I had to rotate all the footage 180 degrees just to get it to the right side up. So the first thing that you've got to do is drag and drop the first clip. In this case, is the clip with the camera. Trim the clip to the part where your hand is covering the whole camera. Now drag and drop the other clip with the phone and start trimming it also to the part where the whole phone is covered by the hand. Now carefully place the beginning of the phone footage that you had already adjusted to begin at the part where your hand is totally covering it to the end of the camera footage that you had already trimmed to that point too. Now just keep fine-tuning it until the transition between these two footages looks seamless. Okay, next, for the phone changing into a drone, it's exactly the same fundamentals as the first clip that you just did. Trim the footage to the part where your hand snaps. Now drag and drop the drone footage and trim the beginning to be exactly where you just snapped your finger and place it at the end of the phone clip. And that's it. It's really easy. So I hope you did find this tip helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Q-tips.